Oh fuck! I feel so goofy, it's ridiculous. Let's go, boys.
Who's a happy boy? Who's riding bikes and having fun?
Welcome, mate. Welcome to Russia.
G'day, beautiful. Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are trying something a bit different. Ben's bike still isn't good to go, and we're kind of sick of dirt jumping, so we're like, let's take the dirt jumpers on some trails, some downhill trails.
What could go wrong? It's only been raining all night.
Yeah, it's gonna be sloppy, it's gonna be muddy, it's gonna be a bucket ton of fun. But anyway, stay tuned. We'll see how it all goes.
See you in the ICU.
Alright, say your prayers. Come on, mate, come on! Pop it, pop it, pop it! Let's go! Oh, the roller's deep! Oh, shit!
Dick. Oh, look at the sun as well. The pines. Superman.
At the top, dirt jumpers in hand, just putting down some, taking some air out of our tyres, because they were running like 65 PSI, and we don't need that for this trail.
Take riding seriously. You need to be doing your bike checks before every trail.
That's it. Part of me is terrified, but I reckon this is going to be hilarious.
Any thoughts, comments?
I feel so goofy, it's ridiculous.
Yes!
Yes! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Yes!
Oh! No! 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 Fuck!
I feel so goofy, it's ridiculous.
The redemption.
The redemption.
Get it!
Get it!
So it's currently raining quite a bit.
It's a rain,
Hallelujah, it's raining! Oh, fuck. It is so wet. Say your prayers. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, I got mud in my eye. Oh fuck. Can't see shit. Not gonna lie. I think I got about 0 of you in the shot.
Lovely.
Oh.
Lovely.
Lovely. There you go, guys. Don't ask us to do this again because we're not going to do it.
Make sure you like and subscribe for these painful.
It's pissing down rain, and like the bikes, they're begging for mercy. We're begging for mercy. Now you can't even see me. Oh, that's a fun little filter. This is what we do for the love of mountain biking.